Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how you can price your products, like art commissions, handcraft work, music, services, or other stuff you might want to sell. I made a little program, mostly for my own use in the past few weeks, that I will show you today. This program helps you to manage your projects, the time you spend on it, and help you calculate your pricing. When you come up with a price for a project, it usually consists of how much you want to be paid per hour, the base cost of your project, like if you for example draw something on a canvas, it's how much the canvas has cost you and how much your art supplies you have used in the project have cost you. You might want to add the tax to the price too. And for the last thing, you need to keep track of how long you've been working on a project. My program basically allows you to give it values for all those things. You don't need to give it a value for tax or base costs, but you need to at least give it the hourly wage you want to work for, and you can add the time manually or let the built-in stopwatch count how long you have actively working on the project. The log at the bottom of the program keeps track of every change you made, so you can easily see when you did what. When you're done with your project, you can hit calculate and it gives you the price. The program is pretty simple and takes a bit of weight off your shoulders if you want to calculate how much you want to sell your products for. It's the first time I programmed something in C#, so there might be some bugs in it. The source code is in the description for the people that are interested in nerd stuff, and I think that was it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed my little program and maybe find use for it in your workflow. Leave a like and subscribe for more content and hit the bell button if you want to get notified when a new video comes around. Bye!